Hey everyone, my name is Karan and today we are doing the review of the MI Portable Bluetooth speaker 16 watts. This is just launched about 2 days ago and this is available from the MI store and on Amazon it will be available very shortly. I'll have the links down below in the description for you to purchase. This one is available for 2500 rupees and it's available in two colors, blue and black. As you can see, I have the blue one. And let's check out first, let's get with the unboxing, then we'll do a sound test and then I'll tell you about the review. Let's do a first pair. So I have just unboxed the speaker and let's do a first pairing. As you can see, there are quite a few buttons over here, so you can lay it down flat like this or you can keep it up standing like this. Because of the help of this or the help of these rubber feet, you can have it in either orientation. I hope there is some battery in it, so I'll just turn this on.
Power on.
Right, and that
pairing.
okay, it straight away went into a pairing mode when you boot it up the first time. Okay, so you can see this MI Portable Bluetooth speaker. Just click on this and click on OK.
Bluetooth connected.
As you can see, there's a verbal cue along with the audio signal. Let me just play some non-copyright soundtrack to begin with. As you can see, this is connected. I have a non-copyright music selected over here and this is the volume level that we are going to start testing at. This is around, let's start here, this is around 50%. Then we'll progressively keep on going more and more until we reach the maximum level. Let's see how it sounds. By the way, this is the first time that I'm also going to test it.
Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't feel the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if fucking the hell. Hearing subliminals all in myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, I'ma get on my face. I got a taste, well the whole place finna get laced when we step out of place. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is us made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Put it down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. And I'ma get it right, then I'll fight like. No, why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? River them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm all far. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. Way to the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed, but I can't get tired. Run for your life, every night. See in the dark, blind by the light. I got the spark, I got the pipes. All of my arts coming to life. Had to face my fears while I chased my peers and I found my spot. About time that I found myself up and out here walking that walk. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. First off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. And I'ma get it right, then I'll fight like. Down and I'ma get it right, then I'll fight like.
So that was sound test for this. Now besides that, what I've noticed is that even the bass is not that present for some reason. It says it's 16 watts, but I think all of that is in the treble and in the highs and mids, but the bass, for some reason, there's a lot of heavy hitting that you can feel, but that bass, that punch, that kick is still missing from this speaker. But overall, it's very clear and very good in its own way. So I'll give it that. The build quality is really good, but I don't know why. I was just hoping that it might be slightly better quality build. But maybe for a 2500 rupee speaker, I think this is sufficient. But of course, you can pair these with two different speakers also, and that should not pose too much of a challenge. And it's not that heavy. I think it's not that heavy. It is sufficiently lightweight. Of course, if you want, you can hook this on to your with these laces. You can hook this on to your backpack, so that should be good. I'm not very fond of this blue color. It's okay. I think it's okay. I would have gone for the black one. I think that would have felt better. These buttons, they are tactile enough. This is for your Bluetooth pairing button. Play, pause, plus, minus, power on, off, the button. This is definitely water resistant and waterproof. It's got an aux input, which is really good. And it's got a charger. It's got a USB-C type charger. So if you look at the box, it says that it's got 16 watts of. Let me put this to the side for now. It's got a 16 watt. So it's got two drivers basically, 8 watts each. So that makes it 16. And then of course you can pair two different speakers. So then that's good. 13 hours of playback. I haven't tested out that, so I'll have to see. I have to believe them for now. So I'll have to see and then tell you guys at a later date that what actually the battery life is. IPX7, so it's pretty standard. Almost all of my Ultimate Ears speakers and all, and my Soundflow speakers also are IPX7. It's got Bluetooth wireless connectivity, so I did a call also via Bluetooth, and the sound was decent. The other side, people said that it was seeming as if my voice was echoing a lot, but I was able to hear them very clearly. So take that for what that's worth. Two wireless speakers, pair two speakers together. So yeah, I think I activated something accidentally. And yeah, it supports everything. This is for 2,499. I don't know. Yeah, so anyway, this is for 2,499. I think this is going to go this is going to go get discounted very soon. I think in the range of 2,000 rupees within 2-3 months. But even for 2,500 right now, I think it's a decent deal. Not the best deal, but it's a decent deal. So if you want to buy this, you can buy this. But I will also be doing a few comparisons for it and for all of you. So let me just show you what comparisons are coming up. So I've got a couple of Bluetooth speakers with me, and I'm going to compare it to this. So this is of course for around 3,999. So this is around 1,000 rupees more, 1,500 rupees more than this. We'll see how this one performs. We are going to compare this. This is for 2,500. This is the JBL Clip 3, and we are going to see how does the JBL Clip 3 perform. How does the UE Wonderbook perform, and also for kicks, we'll see that if you get a much more expensive something like a Mega Boom 3, how does that perform? And for the fun of it, I'll also throw in another Bluetooth speaker that I have. That is this. I don't know if you can see this. This is the Soundcore speakers. These are my favorite, of course, and I think anyone who listens to these would it would become their favorite as well. This is for around 7,000 rupees. We are going to see how this guy, for only 2,500, the cheapest of the bunch arguably, will perform against this onslaught of speakers. Alright, thank you so much for watching this review, guys. It's been great. Do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and wait for future videos on this comparison. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.